So after a week break in the videos, here we go, we're back at Snetterton, not quite sunny Snetterton, but we're back at Snetterton. So let's see what this is going to give us. Typical our style, it's straight arrive at the track and straight out into qualifying, no practice. So don't get me wrong, there's going to be boys I reckon go straight past us here trying to get clear track and up to speed straight away. We might take a little bit longer to get on it, but I have driven Snetterton before twice. I was here in 21 I believe it was, and then we were here last year, but the car had some serious issues, so we only got about, I think, 7 laps all weekend. So it has been a while since I've driven it. Just sorry, I'm a bit caught out there. Seeing what Harvey Caton's doing at the side. Alright, there we go. Green flag lap. It'd be nice to get onto the back of Jordan or someone like that. Make sure we don't spin it out on the outlap with very cold tyres. Try and get some heat in nice and early. Typical story every time. But actually, the car feels pretty good. Butsy there, try and get on the back of Jordan because he'll help us round this. That's a great track. Remark at this track is now. Really good track to drive. Just trying to decide what gear I should be in where. Is that a bit low for third maybe? It's quite hard to tell really, if I'm honest. Right then. So yeah, as I say, we missed a week of videos just because, well, 3-race weekend of Brands Hatch and then there was a 5-week gap, so we're trying to space it out, one a week. Trying to decide what gear I should be in through here. It's going to be a third, I think. Feels a bit lively through there. Nice place to try and load the back end up a bit now. Oh, the car feels really good if I'm honest. Right, here we go. Start the first lap. See what we can get going. A bit gentle into turn 1 if I'm honest. Everyone seems not the quickest of laps yet. Let's see what we can get going though. Second there or third? I think it's going to be a third. Track compared to Brands Hatch. make sure I don't hit any of them sensors. See, we get the car dancing a little bit through this long right. Which we did. Actually caught us a little bit that lap, so we're not quite on pace, I don't think. Not quite on the pace we need to be. Bit wide, I'm just not quite agile enough, I don't think. Need to change the setup. Like that. Right. See if we can tug it a little bit. This lap, we'll bring it in, check tyre pressures. 5 clicks up on the back. How, Kieran? Was it alright?
What?
Was it alright?
Yeah. What, are you happy with the back?
Yeah.
33s?
Yeah, fine.
There were 32s front, I took down 31.
Lovely. Ryan?
What's it up for?
A clicker. I might just go straight away. Hello, Ryan.
You just come into that east right?
Yeah.
What was it?
I don't know yet. Right, back out to quali, let's see if we can get a bit of an open track. Alright. So Kieran had to bleed the tyres off a little bit, he said. Which is, you know, expected. I was just told right there just to go a little bit harder on the back. We're just struggling a little bit on rotation, which, you know, sort of expect really. But I'm happy with the car, and that feels pretty good. Yeah. this because that looked like that was coolant. I don't know whether that was out of Harvey Caton's car or whatever, maybe. There's chucking a bit of smoke out. Right, you will probably notice I'm not toting quite as much as Brands Hatch. That was just because Brands Hatch is a track, if I'm honest, that's a little bit easier to get up to speed straight away on. This is a little bit more intense, is that the right word? A little bit more to learn, put it that way. 3 mile track and it is, as I say, very, very intense. With that stiffer back end. Right, try and focus on getting a good run here. Right, there we go. These laps need to matter. Got an area boy behind me. I think it's Max. That's why he was quick. Come on. Trying to be a bit patient there. He's definitely caught me by a fair chunk. Try to be gentle on throttle, come on. Spencer Stevenson there. Getting out of my way, thank you very much. Max has dropped off, so that means he's not on a lap. Big quick in through there. Big quick through. Well, it's a lap. I don't know how quick it is, if I'm honest with you. Right. See if we can try and get it any quicker. That car feels pretty good though, pretty stable. Maybe a bit too stable if I'm honest, but really do want that now. Make sure I concentrate as well. 3 race weekend. Caught us out a bit that lap though. Bogged through there a smidge. Damn. Trying to force as much on the exit there as possible. It's going to be another lap. but still a smidge slow. Not good. Come on. Oh, there's the end. God, that felt like a really short quality session. I think we only got 2 laps in, probably. Dear me, we maybe should have just stayed out at the start, I think. That looks like, oh, there's a yellow flag, but that's obviously maybe because we're coming in this lap. It's not a full lap that you do when you come into the pit, so. Ooh, it's warm again though. So as you can see, Snetterton is a bit more intense, dare I say. It's quite a lot more intense. Quite a lot more intense. But yeah, hopefully we managed to get at least 2 okay laps in. But I don't know how far I'll be off. We were 4/10 off at Brands Hatch. This track's 3 mile long. It would be sort of expected if we were, you know, maybe 8/10 off. Maybe hope not to be quite that far off, like, but being waved in, scrutineering. And that's it for another video. Sorry it wasn't talking quite as much, but we were concentrating a bit on that one with it being a new track in the first few laps, so we should end up talking a little bit more in the race. But that's it for this video, and tune in for race 1 next week. See you boys.